born in a South Indian family in Kerala, and I came to Bombay when I was 5 months old. I was brought by my mother, and since then, for all practical purposes, I'm more a Maharashtrian and a Mumbaikar. I got married after a year and I came back to Bombay. After that, I've been here, not moved out of Bombay at all. When I joined Mithibai, they told me it was a vacancy for a year, and that's how I went back to teaching. 1 year at Mithibai, and the principal there, Mrs. Rupasha, felt that I was doing well. So she introduced a new paper, increased my workload, and she continued me. After that, there's been no looking back. 2007, the management asked me to apply when the post of principal was vacant. I got through the selection committee, and since then I'm with UPG as principal. It's my 6th year at UPG now. Managing these two roles that I'm playing, or many roles that I'm playing, has never been a problem for me. My family has been very supportive. My basic principle is wherever you are, you're 100% there, and that makes it very easy for me. Formal training is important, but I don't feel it's adequate to be successful in any field. There are two things that are necessary: domain knowledge and expertise, and the other is people skills. Unless one has the soft skills internalized and one has a proper training for communication, for expression, there is definitely a positive attitude. I don't think whatever formal training is given to the individual can succeed in his area of work. But I definitely feel yes, training is required. One is a learner from birth to death, so I suppose learning has to be continuous. My success mantra, as I always say, is time, trust and transparency. I feel that if I'm able to manage deadlines and I'm able to do the tasks as and when required, behave and conduct myself as a situation demands, and keep the time factor in mind by being disciplined and punctual, then I think it leads me to success naturally. So time becomes an important factor. People become my strength, and I begin with trust till I get a negative experience. The more I've trusted my people in my organization, the more they have delivered and contributed. Transparency is very important because if people have to trust me and I need to work also with trust with people, then we need to have a lot of transparency in systems, procedures, with regard to all matters, all situations. There has to be an attitude of openness. I feel that time, trust and transparency would become a success mantra. My interest in learning subjects under management was more for my own interest in getting an orientation towards the MBA program. More so because I was heading an institution which had management studies at the undergraduate level. The PGDBA degree in any way was not going to enhance my position or even help me get an increment in any way. But I thought if I was heading an institution with management studies, I need to have a better grip on certain subjects, especially when I'm sitting on the interview panel or when I'm sitting with students and guiding them as to what field they should take. Distance learning program at Wellington helped me to conveniently and comfortably do the entire course. The program is very well structured, and the examinations seem to be organized and managed in a very comfortable manner. The online examinations that used to be held at Aptech centers somehow helped me to give my examination at convenient timings after I finished my entire day's work at UPG. One is the convenience of the examinations. Secondly, the course content was given to us not only in black and white in print form. There were CDs given to us, so we could carry these CDs even when we were traveling, and I could read any subject anytime whenever I found the time. In addition to that, the online course content that was made available with student login given to us was very convenient. So overall, the program made it very, very comfortable and convenient for me to do a management program. One should realize that it's not just a qualification or a degree that is important to the individual. One has to be a continuous learner. The distance education program should be taken seriously in order to learn certain concepts, bring the theory back into the practical area of work, and not with just a focus on the certificate that is going to be handed over to us at the end of the program. Education is ultimately required for all to succeed and achieve in life, and I feel that the distance learning program at Wellington is a wonderful opportunity for all serious learners. No comments. I love my family. Doldrums. It's a mess and I feel there's a lot to rehaul. Being what you are and getting what you really deserve, and getting it when you want it. Comfortable, convenient and amazing.